What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to another video. Alright, so we just finished doing this photo shoot right here. And then right now we're going to head over to Garage Guy's shop. And we're going to check out his shop. And we're going to start on a video that I was recording for him. Shout out to you for choosing me to film your video. We're going to go get that done right now. He's right next to El Cora Exhaust. So probably stop by there as well. So hit me up for the photo shoots. It's a beautiful day here in SoCal. It's like somewhere in the 70s. Mochilita, look at that. Si lo hacemos. I don't know what Doris says, but I got my little mochilita, that's all I know. Let's get a start. Oh shit. Is it in drive? God damn. Oh guys, look, I need to fix this. My mochilita. If you guys see this part of the video, go ahead and hashtag mochilita. Oh no, hashtag la mochilita. Go ahead, go down in the comments. Alright, we're gonna be getting the exhaust fixed because it's all loose right now by El Cora, and then right now we're gonna go chill over here with Garage Guy. Damn, you got my dream car just chilling here?
Yeah, man, how you doing?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Good, man. Just was fixing one of my wrenches. You like Corvettes?
I love Corvettes. That's what got me into cars.
Yeah, this is the turbo one.
Yeah. No way. Where's the turbo?
It's under the back.
Damn. Where is it?
That's the hot side. So this is, you know, another GTO. It's just,
Jesus.
He's got a small turbo. This is a big turbo.
All right, so introduce yourself.
Oh, hey, I'm Nate. I'm here at the garage. I work with Tony, who's around the corner. He does a lot of repair and maintenance work. He's getting into the performance stuff with me. We're taking a look right now at the Corvette. This is a cool project. It's a giant 88mm turbo, 100mm turbine wheel, stuffed under the back of a C6. It had an LS2, and he pushed that motor to the limit. He was running around with 17 PSI. We don't even know what kind of power it was making because it made 748 on only 9 PSI. Fortunately, our tuner Theo put a lot of headroom in the tune so that in case he got greedy or there's any kind of mishap with the boost control, the motor would stay safe. So, you know, over 100,000 miles on that engine. We've gone ahead and built him a new motor. You can see here we took the time to completely wrap the hot side. It's simply just 2.5-inch tubing. Wrapped it with the fiberglass, and then we completely soaked it with that ceramic spray so it kind of like almost formed a cast, you know. We'll drop the engine, drop the whole car, we can take a look at the motor and talk about what we got going on there.
convertible red thing. I couldn't tell you. They go with the couple horsepower, but it'll support. But it's I mean, it's just beautiful. It's
Like that right there. I mean,
but
that's a stock.
It's gonna be good. No,
Can we catch that?
So I'm gonna add some few clips of the GTO we filmed the other day right here in this video. So hope you like them. He also built this Falcon, the Corvette, the GTO, and maybe my truck. We'll see. But right now we're gonna head over back to El Cora and fix that exhaust. All right, let's check out the problem again. The whole truck is just kidding. Look at that. You guys see that? Look. Whoop. She'll touch the ground. Plus those tips are messed up already. I know a lot of you guys been asking me what tips those are or whatever. I don't know the name, but I just saw them at a shop and I was like, hell yeah, let's put those on. Alright, we're about to drive it into the shop. Hopefully it don't scrape. Alright, let's see where it's loose from. God damn, that's just bad.
That shit was so rattling, huh?
Yeah. So here's the exhaust setup. Non-tube headers. I want to go to Trudeau one day, but this is a Catless white pipe to 1 and Flowmaster Super 10. Since all of you guys are asking, there's a setup. We're just gonna get it fixed because it's loose, and we're just for 10 gears. Low life. Six-inch flip kit, 2-inch drop shackles, 2-inch drop hangers. Alex makes it the 10. Drop shocks, drop shock extenders, step notch, underbed notch, bigger than a C notch. All right, we're gonna start it up like that. Just long tube headers and the white pipe, no muffler. Let's see how it sounds. God damn. Oh shit. God damn. All right guys, that's pretty much the truck exhaust setup. It's the long tube headers, catless white pipes, and the Flowmaster Super 10 muffler. El Cora right here is actually doing a full exhaust system giveaway, and here's how to enter. He's actually one of the guys that works at the shop. So how do my subscribers enter to this giveaway?
Okay, so I have this giveaway right here on my page. So it's a full raffle giveaway. So it comes with headers, speed engineering headers, true duals. You could go Carvin, Cartix, Flowmaster, any one you want, and any tip exit. Sorry about that. And it could be lightning style or any style going out the back. So to enter, please log into Instagram. Of course, you already logged in. Go to the Go to Exhaust page. Hit me up with DMs. You could do either PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, or Venmo. I accept all. And then we're doing the raffle. Maybe deadline's gonna be March 13th. It could probably be longer than that. Depends how the raffle goes. And I'm also gonna add a little extra to it. You know, that way get the more hype up, second and third place. So just follow my page and go to Auto Exhaust, and from there you get all the details on how to win.
All right guys, there you have it. Win yourself a full exhaust system. You'll increase the horsepower for sure with those long tubes, and whichever exit you want, any mufflers. So go ahead and enter. All right guys, so just so you guys can see, this is my truck, garage guy, and introduce yourself.
Tony from Galindo's Garage.
Right there, Galindo's Garage.
Yeah.
All right, what's going on right here? What are we talking about?
Well, what we're going to talk about is what's going to distinguish our build from anybody else. You know, you see a lot of lowered trucks, 5.3 trucks, 4.8 trucks. You know, people go and they get a cam and they get a loud exhaust, and that's pretty standard issue. And so if you go to a truck meet, a takeover, whatever they're doing, you're going to hear plenty of cam trucks. What we're going to do with this one is going to be pretty badass. You know, we're going to put a lot of little special touches. We're not going to use the same off-the-shelf cams that everybody else is going with. We're going to pay particular attention to the valve train. We're going to want to add some compression. We're going to do some work to the cylinder heads. We're going to make sure the top end of the motor is breathing as freely as possible, which might mean upgrading to a larger mass airflow meter, converting it to a more modern cart style. We are going to take a look at the intake manifold, throttle body sizing. And then we're going to dare to spin the motor to RPM levels where other people might not, you know. And so we'd like to see this motor, you know, set a little 5.3 record over at High Rev Dyno Tuning. You know, he does a lot of stuff. You know, he does a lot of the 5.3 lowered trucks there. So he'll have the numbers to kind of back up what we're saying. Is that I definitely feel like right here, right now, we can make this old ass, tired ass 5.3 the highest horsepower 5.3 that he's ever tuned. And so we'll put the little details.
You're not that old, okay? Don't listen to him.
Yeah, you know, well, you know, the thing is everybody wants to know like where to get the quality work, and then people end up, you know, doing business with someone, they get their truck back, and it's not what they wanted. But a lot of times you just can look at the engine bay, and you can get a sense of somebody's commitment to excellence, because if the engine bay isn't coming back fully clean. I've never done a cam swap where the motherfucker didn't come back clean. I'm talking the valve covers have new gaskets. I'm talking I've washed everything. It wouldn't come back looking like this. It wouldn't have funny mismatch wires. It wouldn't have nothing. And so we want it to look as flawless as it performs. And so that's always a good clue. You know, like if you're gonna go shop at someone's shop, you know, why don't you just ask them to pop the hood on something they're finishing up and just have a look. If they say, oh, he just rebuilt this, and they pop the hood and it looks dirty, then you know shit hasn't been to the machine shop. You know that it's kind of like they're just flipping motors and putting them upside down and just throwing shit in there and calling it a rebuild. So we're cool with that, you know. We don't mind. There's a market for everybody. You know, there's going to be guys that don't mind that. But we want the guys that want to go fast.
Yep, guys, I already got the looks. Now it's time for the...
Yeah, now it's time for the heart.
Yep.
The heart. The engine is the heart of a performance vehicle.
No more show, time to go.
Hey man, you could have both. There's no reason you can't have both. You got half of it covered. Now it's time for the other half.
Yep. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Check out that merch. It'll help me pay for that cam. And appreciate the support. Keep up with the videos. Check out Garage Guy. Check out INFLATOR exhaust. Let me show you guys what they did. This shit's not loose anymore. It's not going to be hitting on my paint anymore. Yeah. Can't even move it a little bit. Hell yeah. Can't move it at all. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Lot to come. Big old crew. Alright guys, we're gonna close out the video right here. So that was another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me coming right here to Alcora and fixing this loose exhaust. Now it's way better, it's not moving in anything. So, and lots coming soon with my boy over here, the Garage Guy. He's gonna be he already has a YouTube channel but not much videos, but I'm gonna be recording for him, editing, and pretty much posting for him. So go check that out. And to get paid back, we're gonna be camming the truck, so something new and something more exciting for the build. So see you guys later. Peace out. TCB, big old crew.